Hello property seekers, it's me again, Maribel 2, and welcome back to my channel. Right now, we are in the vicinity of Costa Mira Beachtown Mactan, a project of Cebu Landmasters Inc. So this is a 4 building soon to rise, and we are now pre-selling the Tower 3, but we're still waiting for the license to sell for us to full blast and sell this property. But for Tower 1 and 2, sorry to tell you that it's sold out already. Welcome to your paradise. This is Costa Mira Beachtown Mactan. We are in Suba-Basbas. Before we will go inside, please press subscribe, then hit the down button to be updated on my upcoming videos. So let's check it out. So guys, we are here right now going to the Costa Mira Beachfront. As you can see, it's very bright and sunny. The wind is very nice. And useless ko na ang payong. And this is Ma'am Becca. And this is Mary. We will be checking out. We have prospective clients in this project.
Have you missed out reserving a unit in Tower 1 and 2 of Costa Mira Mactan? Then this time, you have to grab this last opportunity for you to own a unit in Tower 3, which is set to launch this March. And this is now the latest development of the construction. Why Costa Mira Beachtown Mactan? Because it is the only beachfront property in Mactan that offers pre-selling price, very affordable payment term, with amazing amenities, beachfront view, not just sea view, with own beach and easy city access through Cecilex.
And that is the boundary.
Welcome to your coast. Welcome to your neighborhood. Welcome to your paradise.
For you guys out there who wants a property for investment, especially in front of the beach, this is for you. So you can call me and you can email the numbers, and the email flashes on my screen. So the bus, oh, ang dagat, my God!
I'll give you the video clip of this project, but before that, please visit our website at www.megalandrealty.com for more details about this project. Costa Mira Beachtown embraces all the comforts of a tropical home that is centered around human connections and holistic ways of living. Welcome to Costa Mira Beachtown Mactan, an integrated beach resort community that brings to life the comforts of home in a tropical paradise. Located in a very strategic location at Marigondon, Lapu-Lapu City, just within the proximity of the well-known resorts, blue beaches, and diving spots, and some places in Mactan. An exclusive beach town that's yours to take, where finally, weekdays can blend into weekends by the sea. Sun and sand are just on the other side of the door. The ocean greets you and welcomes you to what you've achieved. Because this is not just a dream, this is not just a vacation, this is the life you've always wanted for your family. That's why we built something that you and your family deserve. What used to be just for the few, we built for people just like you. We built paradise for you to take, a neighborhood on the shore exclusively for you. An idyllic and intimate spot in the southern coast of Mactan, surrounded by lush, tropical greenery and unique nature-inspired architecture. Tower amenities are adult and kiddie pool. They have pool deck, function rooms, fitness gym, cabanas, tropical green, garden, and function lawn. And for the community features, we have retail building, al fresco dining, adult again and kiddie pool. We have tennis courts, pool bar, active park, and grand event or steep lawn. For the building features, all units with balcony, combinable units, 3 passenger elevators and 1 service elevator, material recovery facility room, dedicated lobby and reception, mail boxes, three passengers elevators and 1 service elevator, third floor amenity deck, and this is the studio unit, which is 27.25 square meter with a living area of 3 square meter, kitchen area of 5.4 square meter, the dining area is 2.95 square meter, toilet and bath is 4.30 square meter, while the master's bedroom is 8.30 square meter, while the balcony is 3.30 square meter. Welcome to your 1-bedroom unit. It has a total floor area of 44.6 square meter. Living area is 14.30 square meter, while the dining area is 6.85 square meter. Kitchen is 2.20 square meter, while the master's bedroom is 12.9 square meter. And this is your 2-bedroom unit. It has a total floor area of 69.30 square meter. Living area is 6.35 square meter. Dining area is 4.95 square meter. Toilet and bath is 5.55 square meter, while the master's bedroom is 13.8 square meter, and the bedroom 2 is 10.5 square meter. And the balcony is 10.3 square meter. So it's very big, and this is very nice unit because all units have balconies and it's facing the sea view. Living in a condo in Cebu has a lot of advantages. Most of the time, condos are located in strategic places that's near your work, shopping, or even the beach. Condos are versatile, easy to rent, and requires very low maintenance. So let's talk and have a free sighter.
If you want to own this beachfront property, if you want to enjoy this view, you can call me or you can email me. Number and the email flashes on my screen. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to be updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Make sure that it will not be